Am I self-employed? Probably the most frequent question we hear in the Bectu sector from freelance members, and one of the most difficult to answer sometimes. To prove self-employment, you need to prove that you are economically independent of any single engager. You need to prove that you have a business in your own right. You need to be able to prove that you have the right of substitution. In other words, if you agree to provide a service, you don't have to do it in person. And you've got to prove that there is no mutuality of obligation between you and the engager. And what that basically means is that you're not in a relationship where you expect them to offer you work and they expect you to accept it, whatever it is and whenever it's offered. The tax treatment of self-employed people is somewhat different from their treatment under employment law. You can be self-employed for tax purposes. That means you can reclaim your legitimate business expenses, but you can simultaneously be categorised as a worker where you have some rights, for example, to holiday pay and to the national living wage.